Hello friends, if you are having a keyboard with a rubberized matte finish like this one, this is a Bluetooth keyboard branded Batup, having a rubberized finish, and you can see that it is that finish is now completely ruined. Now this is a common problem with electronic gadgets with this kind of rubberized finish. They tend to get white after some time. This rubber coating now really looks ugly. So now what I'm trying to do is to get rid of this rubber coating and try to make this keyboard look better. Now let us see what we can do about this. Now I'm trying to use surgical spirit for this purpose. You can see the composition here. I'm not able to tell you that you can see it properly. Anyway, I will read it out for you. So this is an isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and I'm using this isopropyl rubbing alcohol and trying to clean this thing. Let's see what is the end result. After first round of cleaning with isopropyl alcohol, now this is the look. You can see it's still sticky because the rubber coating is still there. A great amount of that coating has been removed, but it is still there. So after the first round, I kept it for drying for some time. Now we have to clean it again with same isopropyl alcohol. Now let us see the results after this. So friends, this is how the keyboard looks after 3 rounds of cleaning with isopropyl alcohol. It now looks almost brand new. That ugly looking rubberized texture is now gone. You can see. Now it's no longer sticky, and now it's in black color. I think in this part still you can go for one more round of cleaning, and then it will look even better. So friends, you can also try this at your home. While doing this, take care about 2 things. Don't rub too hard, because you might be ending up damaging these keys. And the second thing is, don't wet the cotton cloth which you're using to clean too much, because the alcohol might be entering inside these keyboards, and that can damage the circuit. So these are the 2 things. Otherwise, for me it worked. I'm not sure about every other kind of keyboard, but it should work. You can try it. Thank you.